Hi guys, this is the 20th tutorial of this series of C programming tutorials, and in this tutorial I am going to tell you about else if statements. So in the last tutorial we have seen about if else statements, but now I am going to tell you about else if, because if you have more than two choices to make, then what to do. So we are going to use else if statement. So let's get started. First I am going to take variables. Int a, I'm going to put the value 23, then int b, the value will be 34, and int c, 45. Okay, then we are going to give some conditions to that. So if a is greater than b, then this piece of code will run. Is greater than b, else if b is greater than a, then this code will run. Printf b is greater than a, else if a is greater than c, then printf a is greater than c. And the fourth condition will be else if c is greater than a, then c is greater than a. The last, we are going to use only else, because if these four conditions will not run, then the else condition will get executed by default. So we are going to put here this is default condition. So let's run this program and see what will be the output. So it is showing that b is greater than a because the value of b is 34, which is greater than 23. So we will change the values. So we will put the value of a is equal to 55. So a is greater than b because the value of a is 55 and the value of b is 34. Then if you put these values equal, then it is showing that a is greater than c because it is bypassing these two conditions, that a is greater than b or b is greater than a, because a and b are now equal. So it will go on the third condition, bypassing these two conditions, and it will show that a is greater than c. So this statement will be displayed on the screen. Now see, if I put the value of c 65, then it is showing that c is greater than a because a and b are equal and c is 65. So c's value is greater than a and b. So if the three values are equal, then run the code and it will show that this is default condition because no one is greater. So that's why the default condition is getting executed. So a is greater than b, b is greater than a. These conditions are not getting executed because a, b, c both values are equal. So in this way we can use the else if statements to make the choices more than two. Okay, so Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.